Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a virtual trip to the beautiful island of Mauritius to explore a hidden gem nestled on its eastern coast. Get ready to discover the Friday Attitude Hotel, a charming 3-star superior property that promises a laid-back tropical getaway with a touch of Mauritian magic. Let's start our journey by diving into the accommodations at Friday Attitude. This cozy retreat offers 67 rooms designed with simplicity and comfort in mind. You'll find 2 main room categories here, standard rooms and family rooms. The standard rooms are perfect for couples or solo travelers, featuring open-plan bathrooms with showers and private balconies or terraces that overlook lush garden views. If you're traveling with the little ones, the family rooms provide extra space with an additional bedroom, ensuring everyone has room to stretch out and relax. Now let's talk amenities. All rooms come equipped with air conditioning to keep you cool in that tropical heat, hair dryers for those post-beach touch-ups, and tea and coffee facilities with refillable jars, a nod to the hotel's eco-friendly approach. Speaking of which, Friday Attitude has taken a stand against single-use plastics, so you won't find any of those pesky little bottles cluttering up your bathroom. It's all about keeping things simple, sustainable, and oh so serene. While the room sizes aren't explicitly stated, you can expect them to be typical for a mid-range hotel, probably ranging from 25 to 40 square meters. The decor is understated yet charming, with a focus on creating a tranquil atmosphere that lets the natural beauty of Mauritius shine through. And let's not forget about those garden views. There's nothing quite like waking up to the sight of swaying palm trees and colorful tropical flowers to start your day off right. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about the food? Well, fear not, hungry travelers, because Friday Attitude has got you covered with its main dining venue, the 900 East Restaurant. This culinary hotspot offers both buffet and a la carte options, serving up a delightful mix of local Mauritian dishes and international favorites. Picture yourself piling your plate high with succulent seafood, exotic fruits, and mouth-watering local specialties, all while enjoying the casual, relaxed vibe of the restaurant. The chefs at 900 East take pride in using fresh, locally sourced ingredients to create their culinary masterpieces. You might find yourself savoring a fragrant Mauritian curry one night and indulging in a perfectly grilled catch of the day the next. And let's not forget about dessert, because vacation calories don't count, right? From tropical fruit tarts to rich chocolate creations, there's something to satisfy every sweet tooth. But the dining experience doesn't stop there. Adjacent to the restaurant, you'll find a beach bar that's perfect for sipping on exotic cocktails while watching the sun dip below the horizon. Imagine lounging on the sand, a fruity concoction in hand, as the sky turns shades of pink and orange. Now that's what I call paradise. While specific operating hours aren't mentioned, you can bet that this laid-back spot is the perfect place to unwind after a day of beach adventures or to kick off a romantic evening under the stars. Speaking of beaches, let's talk about one of Friday Attitude's biggest selling points, its prime beachfront location. This hotel boasts direct access to a wide, fine white sandy beach that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's a kind of beach you dream about during those long winter months, with powdery sand that's perfect for long walks, sandcastle building, or simply lounging with a good book. But if you're more of an active traveler, don't worry. There's plenty to keep you entertained. The hotel offers a range of water sports activities, including snorkeling, kayaking, and pedal boating. Imagine gliding over crystal clear waters, spotting colorful fish darting beneath your kayak, or exploring vibrant coral reefs just off the shore. And for those who prefer to stay on dry land, there's always the outdoor swimming pool. While it might not be an infinity pool with all the bells and whistles, it's the perfect spot for a refreshing dip or a lazy afternoon of sunbathing. Now, let's dive into the world of relaxation and pampering at Friday Attitude. The hotel's POZ Spa is your go-to destination for some serious R&R. While specific details about treatments aren't provided, you can imagine a range of massages, facials, and body treatments designed to melt away any lingering stress. Picture yourself in a serene treatment room, the scent of essential oils filling the air as expert hands work out those knots and tension. After your treatment, you might find yourself in a peaceful relaxation area, sipping on herbal tea, and feeling like you're floating on cloud nine. For those who like to stay active even on vacation, Friday Attitude has got you covered. While specific details about the fitness center aren't provided, it's safe to assume that you'll find the basics to keep up with your workout routine. Maybe you'll start your day with a jog along the beach, followed by some lightweight training or stretching. And who knows? The hotel might even offer yoga classes on the beach. There's nothing quite like doing a sun salutation while actually facing the rising sun over the Indian Ocean. Now, if you're traveling with little ones, you'll be pleased to know that Friday Attitude is incredibly family-friendly. The hotel features a kids club that's sure to keep the younger guests entertained, while parents enjoy some well-deserved downtime. While specific activities aren't listed, you can imagine a range of fun and engaging programs designed to introduce children to the wonders of Mauritius. Maybe they'll learn some basic Creole phrases, try their hand at traditional crafts, or participate in beach scavenger hunts. For family bonding time, there's a games room equipped with billiards, table tennis, and darts, perfect for some friendly competition on those rare rainy days. And let's not forget about the child-minding services available, giving parents the opportunity to enjoy a romantic dinner or spa treatment while knowing their little ones are in good hands. One of the things that really sets Friday Attitude apart is its commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly practices. The hotel proudly holds a TravLife Gold certification, which is no small feat. This means they've gone above and beyond in their efforts to minimize their environmental impact and support the local community. From eliminating single-use plastics to training staff, affectionately called family members. In eco-responsibility, Friday Attitude is doing its part to preserve the natural beauty of Mauritius for future generations. But the hotel's commitment doesn't stop there. Through the Green Attitude Foundation, they actively support local community initiatives, helping to create a positive impact beyond the resort's boundaries. It's the kind of feel-good factor that can make your vacation even more meaningful, knowing that your stay is contributing to the well-being of the local area. Now let's talk about what's beyond the hotel grounds. Friday Attitude is perfectly positioned for exploring some of Mauritius' most beautiful attractions. Just a short boat ride away is the stunning Île aux, an island paradise known for its pristine beaches and excellent snorkeling opportunities. Imagine spending a day exploring hidden coves, swimming in crystal-clear lagoons, and maybe even trying your hand at some water sports. If you're in the mood for a bit of local flavor, the Centre de Flac Market is about 10 kilometers away. Here, you can immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of a traditional Mauritian market. Browse stalls piled high with exotic fruits, fragrant spices, and colorful textiles. It's the perfect place to pick up some souvenirs or ingredients for a DIY Mauritian cooking experiment back home. For those who want to venture a bit further, the capital city of Port Louis is about 30 kilometers away. While it's a bit of a journey, it's well worth the trip to experience the bustling energy of the city, explore its historical sites, and maybe do a bit of shopping at the famous Central Market or the modern Cotton Waterfront Complex. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.